Welcome to our first post of the year where we embark on a journey of green curiosity. As often as we can, we'll be sharing a simple, sustainable activity that is lightweight and not time-intensive, but can build over time. The goal? To discover if these small acts can truly make a difference in sustainability, health, and our planet's future. Today's task was simple. Rake a wheelbarrow full of leaves onto a budding compost pile. It took just about 10 minutes. Composting is a way to reduce waste and enrich the soil, and I'm excited to learn about this practice. As we work on these daily, at least thinking of them, green activities, we are also committed to learning more about them. For instance, we realized we hadn't noted the type of tree the leaves came from, and if that is important for composting and measuring. The next time out, we'll be sure to record that detail. Plus, we've been researching the benefits of leaves in compost and found some articles. You can find them in the description of this video. Yes, composting leaves is good. I could not get a measurement of the impact today of that action, but a spark inside me has been lit to figure that out. We are looking forward to this green journey to see if we can measure how every small action counts. Whether it's composting, conserving water, or simply learning more about sustainable practices, I am looking forward to doing more. Thanks for watching.